Alright, so in last video we have seen about Amazon Bedrock guardrails, and let's talk about one of the most powerful features of Amazon Bedrock, that is agents. So agents help you to automate complex multi-step workflows, whether it's setting up infrastructure, deploying applications, or performing operational tasks. Agent can handle it all in the right sequence. They run predefined group of action, connect with external systems, databases, APIs, and trigger operations automatically. Whether the agent needs extra information, it uses RAG to instantly pull the most relevant data. In short, Bedrock Agents lets you build AI systems that do not only think but also take action. So here's how an agent is set up inside Bedrock. So you start by giving the agent clear instructions. Clear instructions that what is responsible for and what task it should perform. Then you organize all the actions into groups. So for example, action group 1 may contain APIs such as get recent purchases, get recommended purchases, or get purchase details. And action 2 might include lambda functions like place order lambda, and you can even connect knowledge bases like return policies. Together these components allow the agent to understand requests, fetch data, perform operations, and deliver accurate results. So here you can see that you are a agent responsible for accessing purchase history of our customers as well as recommendations into their what they can purchase next. You are also responsible for placing new orders. So here you can see that API is defined with OpenAI's schema. You need 3 action groups that get recent purchases, get recommended purchases, and get purchase details. And the another action group is placing the order, and to also see the company's return policy all along fetch with database. So this diagram shows how everything comes together. So a user gives a task, the Bedrock agent receives it and passes it to the model along with the prompt, conversation, history, rules, and instructions. The model then creates a chain of thought, determines which step to execute next, and perform actions like calling APIs or searching for knowledge bases. The results come back to the agent, it compiles everything, and finally delivers a clean, ready to use response. It's an intelligent loop of reasoning plus action, the core of how Bedrock agents work. So here you can see the task is broken down, and then you get the final response. So that is all for this topic, and in next topic we would see about the CloudWatch. And yes, so thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to leave the comment and share the video. Thank you very much.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.